music! Metal lovers! Hey Duffers, Amy's a critic to you. Superb last week. Tell you what we're on with after Easter holidays. We're on with some Titan Scrolls, so it's all happening in Forge. Some 12v6. Really get these nice enough. We need a right big fat end on these. So we're going to put these through a few times. And then they go through onto the Titan Scroll machine, which is over here in corner. So I'm just going to show you right sharply. This fits in here. I'm just going to clamp that, and that scrolls them round, and then releases them. So these are all for Franco down in London. Franco, that's how you make them. They're coming down here today. Also making a few brackets. What I've done is a bit of 40x10, edge hammered, put a V in it. I'm just going to start splitting that backwards a bit. Just get it to sort of like that. And what we're going to do, get some more heat in that. All sorts in here today. Hit the ground running after a long weekend. Get out of here. I'm just going to start rolling these back a little bit. So these are for a couple of sets of gates downstairs that Joe's got going on. I'm just going to roll that back and make a nice little bit of a even scroll. Until they look something like this over here. Something nice and tight like that. Bit of ram's heads and that. And also we've got going here, I want some lock bolts. So I'm just going to make a bit of a shepherd's crook. So I'm going to bring that back a bit. Bit similar way how to make a hanging basket bracket up. Just quite start off. And then pull this back here. Pull it around there. Like that. Until it comes back on itself. And then a bit of a shepherd's crook. They're going to be sliding bolts that go along here, you know, and lock his gates up. Also, what we've got going on is right sharpish while we're on with the job. It's got some 50x10 convex bar. These will be like your balustrade ends. Done very quick. Put a bit of a bend in that, like that. All freehand done. Bring that around again. And that's how much power's in these machines. No messy. Straight round there like that. So for all you want, for all your gates and railing needs, get yourself down here to North Valley Forge. And a big shout out to Jason across the road, 13-year-old. He's a massive fan. Happy birthday for him tomorrow. And get yourself down here, Bob Swift. We'll see you there.